Hello everyone! Welcome to Yolanda Kitchenomics. We have here Bangus sardines in tomato sauce. Yummy recipe of bangus. So we have here 1 1/4 kilo of bangus. It's already cleaned and washed. So we are going to slice into our serving pieces. And do not remove the scales, but remove the tail. Yes. And we have here the brine solution of 3 cups of water mixed with 3 teaspoons of salt. Yes, mix together. And we're going to soak into the bangus for about 1 hour. Yes, soak this for 1 hour. And here are the other ingredients, and we're going to put into our pressure cooker. We're going to cook into pressure cooker. Arrange the onion, garlic, ginger, the red bell pepper, the bay leaf, the onion, the whole peppercorn, and we're going to put the bangus. We had to arrange it. Yes, arrange it in your desired style and put the other remaining ingredients. And yes, we're going to have the bay leaf again. And we have olives, black olives. The sweet pickle relish. We have added 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of salt. We add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. And we have tomato sauce. 200 grams of tomato sauce. And water. 8 cups of water. Should be submerged. And lock the pressure cooker and sit over high heat. So when the valve starts to whistle, lower the heat to medium, low, and cook for 60 to 75 minutes depending on the size of the thickness of the fish. When it's done, turn off the flame and wait for. We can open this by releasing first the pressure. Yes, and you will see. So excited. Wow, so yummy. I like this recipe of bangus because you know what? The fish bone is edible to eat. Yes, very soft, full of flavor. Must try this recipe of milkfish. I like it. You must try it also. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye-bye. Let's eat.